Okay, in this video we're going to cover how to upload a file for sharing with students. You'll, from your dashboard, enter the course in which you'd like to share. On the left-hand side, you're going to choose the Files option. You'll have the ability to enter folders to create to organize. I'm going to enter Unit 5 as a folder. Then I can click on that. I can use this blue Upload button in the upper right-hand corner to select from my downloads or documents. I can also take it from my Finder window and drag and drop the item. You'll see that it says drop items to upload pop up, and then you simply release from your mouse. You'll see that it uploads really quickly if it's a small document, and you'll see a green icon here on the right hand side of that row if it has been uploaded and published. Once you have that, you'll be able to go to your assignments. Some of the bigger files will take a little longer. Within that, using this box here, I can click on the right hand side where it says Files. I can scroll through any of the folders and files that I've uploaded, including pictures, PowerPoints, videos, and select it to embed it directly into the assignment. Thanks.